Good morning. Welcome to subramani.com. Please click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. It's getting popular. Thank you. This is a small story of how a friend, I had visited a friend and he said, meet my elder brother. And I met the elder brother and then I met his father. It's a family which I've known for a very long time, a family with a high net worth. And so the elder brother and the father, his father and elder brother were very concerned that the elder brother's son had run up a credit card debt. Now, don't get it wrong, it was not hurting the family, it was 95,000 rupees, and this family would have a net worth in excess of 20 crores at least. This is when I met them. By now it must be 25 crores. So that 95,000 was not bothering them. Any of the people could have just written a check and not even realized what was happening. But when I went there, the grandfather came and told me, look what he has done, he has spent so much money. And so I said, what are you going to do? So he said, Subra, you know what to do. When there is debt, it has to be paid back. So I said, so how will you pay it back? So he said, I'll give a check of 95,000 rupees. I said, next time if any runs up 9.5 lakhs, what will you do? So he said, what do you suggest? I suggest you don't pay it. So he said, but you are anti-debt and this is 42% and it's hurting me and it's going to hurt my family. Why would I pay that much of interest? I said, there is absolutely a moral hazard problem here. Paying it off will be great and he will think, now I can run up a debt again. What stops him from running it up again? So luckily the grandson had also come here. He was on vacation and all this had happened at a different place. And so I said, look, what happened? So he said, look, how it is. I bought a mobile phone. Then I went out with friends and partied and I paid for everything. I thought some money will come. So, so it just got added up and 95,000 is my debt. And he was a young kid, but business family, but he had taken up a job in a city other than Mumbai. So I said, how do you intend repaying it? And he did not have an answer. I said, how much can you repay every month? So he said about 4,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. I said, that's too slow, too small, because the loan is increasing at 40,000 rupees per year. So if you're going to pay only 3,000 a month, it's not helping, it's just paying the interest. So it needs to be bigger than this. He said, I can't afford. I said, I don't know what you do because you're earning about 30,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees, and he was paying rent, he was paying for food. So I said, I don't know what you do. So then I suggested to the grandfather that whatever he pays, you also match it. So if he pays 4,000, you match it with 4,000. If he pays 8,000, you match it with 8,000, so that there is some pressure on him and there's no moral hazard that he will run up the same thing again. So he sounded very enthusiastic. He said, wow, I'll do it. So we went about correcting his credit card fiasco by buying him another card which had some 75,000 limit, and this card he was just supposed to repay. He was not supposed to use it again, because I don't know whether you realize, but in your credit card, if you already have a huge amount outstanding, every rupee that you spend just gets added there. You don't get that 45 days mandatory credit or anything, so it hurts badly. So I said, leave your old credit card here. You will not spend on it at all. So we got him a new credit card, and I also said the amount of money that your grandfather matches there, you will also start an SIP. So here was this kid under tremendous pressure. 4,000 rupees he would repay the loan and 4,000 rupees he would put in an SIP, and his grandfather would pay 4,000 rupees into the credit card. Then after 3 months, grandfather calls me and says, look, he's been paying regularly and I'm very happy with this arrangement. I said, yeah, continue the arrangement. He said, no, can I increase the amount? When he pays 4, I'll pay 6. I said, yeah, that's also not a bad idea. So very aggressively, grandfather, grandson repaid the loan in about 7-8 months. Both of them contributing, it happened. And the grandson now had an SIP running. Did he need this SIP? Did he have any goals? No, not really. Family has enough wealth and he's the only kid. So there was no question of him needing that SIP, but the discipline had to be brought in, and that kid is now doing well. And he still holds and says, you hit me on the knuckles and did it. So here, look at the positive things. One, the grandkid accepted that there is a problem, that you could sit and talk with me, right? Normally, kids at that age could be in denial, saying, you are my father's friend, you are my grandfather's agent, you're trying to trouble me. That didn't happen. That attitude towards wealth creation was there. And I told him, boss, you do such stuff and your wealth creation will stop. Your family has wealth, but it has to be more has to be created. That discipline has to be there. So he did it and he repaid, and his SIP was also running. Luckily, it was a boom period when the markets did well. So then he was tempted. He said, should I remove it and repay the debt in full? I said, no, not in a hurry, because you got to wait for a year or two, even in an equity fund. Sometimes it does well even in a year. So I said, no, you will not touch it. You will let that be for your retirement. You will just save. And so grandfather said, okay, whatever is there, I will match that. And the loan got repaid. So teach your children financial responsibility. There is nothing wrong using a credit card. There is nothing wrong in running up a credit card bill which you are unable to pay. It happens. You paid for a friend has not paid you. Friend keeps delaying it. He is your roommate, he is your classmate. You make such mistakes, but know how to come out of it. The way to come out of it is to go and take a personal loan and repay the credit card debt, simply because the personal loan will be at 12-13% and the credit card debt is at 42%. So understand these basics, otherwise a road to wealth creation could be very arduous and difficult. Thank you. Thank you.